Welcome to Holtonsfixit101. Today we are going to talk about a subject that a lot of people think about and they don't like to talk about it because it's a little boring. But that is shop safety. We all have to keep it in our forefront of our minds about shop safety for when we are doing anything involved in the workshop, whether you're grinding, cutting a piece of wood on a saw, or even just using a router table or a drill. Now, shop safety for me always involves a pair of these. Now, safety glasses are an essential part of my toolkit. I always wear them and make sure that I wear them when I'm doing anything underneath a car, cutting a bit of wood, or you name it. They are there for me all the time. Another thing that I always make sure that I'm using, especially if I'm using loud tools, like you're using your table saw, a router, grinder, anything that involves a loud noise, then a pair of these are very essential for me. My hearing is very in the top of my foot and the top of my head, and I think about it. Now, keeping a couple of these dotted around your workshop is just common sense at the end of the day, because let's face it, none of us ever want to have a fire in our workshop, and keeping one of these close by is one of the best ideas that anyone could have in their environment that they work. And if anyone's like me, you work for multiple times of the week, you're in the workshop and you're on your own, then shop safety is right up there in the top of my priority list. But I always keep one of these around as well, and that's a bag of cat litter. Now everyone says, oh wow, why do you keep a bag of cat litter? For me, having one of these is a good idea, because if I'm doing an oil change on a car or anything like that, you inevitably spill a little bit of oil on the floor. So if you spread a bit of this on top of the oil, it soaks up the oil and it is a must. You can just go along an hour later, sweep it up, put it in the bin, forget about it. And for the price of what this is, then it's a must for me. But shop safety is a subject that like I say, is for some people is quite boring. It does get boring, but it's good common sense is where it helps prevent any accidents happening. Let's face it, if you was going to use a grinder, you'd be aware of where the sparks are going to go off to. You won't want them going and hitting another person that's working in your workshop with you, or want anyone to, the sparks to go off and hit something that's flammable, or even if you got a dog or a cat that's close by, you wouldn't want them to get hurt either. So please be aware and use your common sense where shop safety is concerned. So there you have it. So if you like the video and want to just click on the old like button. But if you have any comments, please use the comments section below. And we all know where the subscribe button is, so please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.